You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one. Quite confusing. Yes, it comes from French, so this is probably why the spelling is so strange, let's say. But the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. Let's break it down. Vicissitude. The French pronunciation for reference is as vicissitude, okay? So, in British English, it's going to be said vicissitude. Vicissitude, okay, with a ch sound. The Americans would just pronounce more like a T at the end, most generally, and pronounce it as vicissitude. Vicissitude, American English, or vicissitude, British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.